what are these plants that have come up in my backyard? Is it something I can keep? I've seen them all over the landscape here in Memphis. And this is from Paula right here in Memphis. And I've seen it everywhere as well.
Shall we all say it together?
You want to say it?
It is
Elderberry.
Yeah.
Right.
And they're really, they're blooming like hydrangeas this year. This is
They are
one of the
all
best
over the
years I've
place.
ever
Andy,
seen.
I have
It
a
is.
theory on that.
Uh-oh.
I'm thinking there's maybe, you know, the roadsides are just rife
Yeah.
with it. And I'm thinking
They
maybe
are.
they've developed some herbicide resistance because these are places that get sprayed a lot.
Yeah.
I'm
Think
seeing them all up
about
and down
that.
railroad
Oh.
tracks and highways and fence lines where they've been
think
trying to
about
kill
that.
out other things, and the elderberries are starting to really take over, which is a good thing for the wildlife.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The berries are herbal medicine, jellies.
Right.
They're great for wildlife, but they are a little messy. But the blooms are just
They're beautiful.
They're beautiful.
They're
They are.
beautiful.
Yeah, I love them.
Yep.
Wow. But yeah, I didn't think about that because you are seeing them along the roadsides and
That just
highways.
struck me last year. I started thinking,
Okay.
why are we seeing so
So
many
many.
elderberries?
There are a lot this year.
well. We frequently talk about this being a good year for this plant, that plant.
Yeah.
We were talking earlier about being a good year for ticks. You know, how do you? It's hard to gauge. It's really hard to gauge what constitutes a good or bad year for stuff.
Okay.
And whether it's a good year for ticks, that makes it a bad year for humans.
Yeah, exactly.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.